mentioned in her presentation that we need a common binding factor that would bring all of us together. Earlier, it was the freedom movement that brought all of us together just by one lone person, the naked fakir, as they called him, Mahatma Gandhi. In fact, when Mahatma Gandhi had gone to England, he was invited by King George, and King George had invited him just so that he could understand this naked fakir. Why was he so powerful? And Mahatma Gandhi landed up there in his just a dhoti. So King George said to him, he smiled and said this, "Aren't you a bit underdressed?" So Mahatma Gandhi smiled at King George and he said, "Aren't you a bit overdressed?" So these are perceptions, how we see each other. They were all right. They were both right in their own way. But that is how we should start a dialogue with each other. Just accept how we are and be happy about it. So when Indrani mentioned there should be a common binding factor, I thought of Mahatma Gandhi and how he created this common binding factor. All he had was a stick, which he never even used on anyone. And he said, the greatest weapon we have is non-violence. So I've thought of a common binding factor that could bring us all together. And I'm working very closely with Indu Jain of the Times Foundation. This is her initiative. Sage is working very closely with her, and Peter met her just a few days ago before he came here. And he's also become very much part of her vision, and that is called Together Reform India. It doesn't say if you're a Hindu, you can reform India. If you're another community, you can reform India. It says Together Reform India. So this is something that can bind us all together because we are all stakeholders in reforming India. And India is just like a mini world. We can showcase this as an aspect where we can all work together. So what Induji has visualized is that she has brought, there are all these S's. One is the Sant or the saints. We have the art of living here. The religious groups are huge, big groups, and they have millions and billions of followers all over the world. Guruji is coming on the 12th. Swamiji was sharing with me today, and he said on that day there'll be 100,000 people collecting together here in Kerala, and they would be talking about togetherness. So this is just one religious group we have. Then there's so many other groups like the Art of Living. There's the Isha Foundation. There's the Brahma Kumaris, and they have centers all over the world. So if we look at this one group, and the government is, if we understand the government, we just have to understand each other. It's not that no organization is good or bad. It's just perceptions, and there are so many wonderful people in government who have helped us. Asha Tapase is here. She's a very good friend of mine. She's the Secretary General of the All India Panchayat Federation, and Mr. Bose, Asha met the Maharaja today, and there's something very good that's worked out of this meeting, and there are wonderful things happening because of this forum. I was sharing with Jean-Christophe that the best thing that comes out of forums like these is not in a hall like this, but when we discuss things over a cup of tea outside, there are little groups we form, and there are many beautiful things emerging. And then, of course, there's a Sampadak. Sampadak is the media. The media has a very strong role to play in whatever we do, and the media has its pluses and minuses. Why not tap the pluses of the media? We have the Times group with us, but then there's so many other papers that are also working with us. So, and the social media is one of the most powerful weapons we have. That is even stronger than the print media. So why not tap on social media? Then there's Shiksha. Shiksha is education. Education, there again, we have so many groups. We are already connected. In this room, we had given you these forms right on the first day. I don't know how many of you had filled up those forms, because if we have a data bank of people who are willing to help, if we believe in this credo, Together Reform India, now you've seen us, you've seen what we're all about. If you could get in touch with us and tell us in what way we could work together, the wonderful winners of the essay competitions, you have promised you're going to help me. I've been interacting with most people, and they've all said that they'll come forward to help. Then there's the Sangathan. This is very important. Sangathan is the organizations, the non-profit organizations, all the NGOs, all the foundations. We are already in touch with so many foundations, so it is really very easy to work together. So whatever you've imbibed so far at today's meeting, if you could go home and think, in what way can I help? Like Kennedy said, ask not what the country can do for you, ask what you can do for the country. So we would really be very happy if you could all work together on this and the projects. And then she's mentioned Samast Gaon. Samast is the whole, Gaon is villages, all the villages. So Asha, as the chairperson, as the Secretary General of the All India Panchayat Federation, you could seriously work on it in bringing 75% of our population lives in the villages. So we could all work together to, we have very powerful people here. We don't realize our strength. I hope we do. And the subjects that we could tackle, the main thing is corruption, accountability in government, the administrative reforms, the suicide rates. There's many suicides happening, student suicides and farmer suicides. We could address that. And we should canvass with every government organization for public-private partnership. That is very important because it's really important to create partnerships, and the government can't do everything on its own. They need our help, and we need the government to sanction what we need to go ahead with. Without government sanction, we cannot function. We need to work on health, on electoral reforms, on employable vocational training. We need to focus on vocational training. Joe was right. We really need more of vocational training than learning arts, science, and commerce, which is just a mere paper degree which doesn't get us any jobs. We have to empower the women and children. We have to focus on the environment. That is very important. We didn't discuss environment in our talks, but because you're focusing on culture, but environment is very important. And then we have to improve the infrastructure. We have to work on the security, and we have to work on peaceful coexistence of all religions. This is really very important. Why do we consider ourselves any different from our neighbor? We are all one because ultimately we are just the soul. We are not, we are energy. We are pure energy, and we are all divine energy. There's divinity in all of us. And we need to eradicate corruption. That's a very important thing. And work for speedy and efficient justice. We have to undertake far-reaching CSR activities. Every corporate should be involved in CSR activities. And we have to eradicate poverty and unemployment. So this is Induji's vision. I would say this is my vision also. I'm passionate about all these things. And if we could all work together, we can really reform India. We can reform the whole world. Thank you.